Hey, g'day, Trader Sam here from TradetoProspa. Looking at render, I believe it's render, RNDR. I started later on this one, but I still bought in and I'm way ahead. I should have bought more. But this one's really doing well. And I remember reading something about its announcement that's done 400%. Wow, that's probably better than Aptos. All right, let's have a look. I was about to publish something, but unfortunately, a bit too late now, guys. So in the short term, if we look at, let me see if it's the 1 hour chart, or was it 4 hour chart? Okay, let's have a look at this. I had it. Here we go. So I was looking at this on a small time frame with my Fibonacci, and non-log settings will be probably better. So that was a setting, and it's hit my top of my channel. Now this is likely to go parabolic. I believe. I shouldn't have touched my Fibonacci. So, okay. So depending on how you look at this, log settings or non-select settings, you can see it really varies where resistance is. However, having said that, this is the angle, the prevailing trend. This is, I believe, it's starting to go parabolic. So you can see that. It's also very similar to Bitcoin in the terms of the fulcrum, Peter Brandt's suggestion. So with that in mind, I would say that it's likely to go to this level of $3.28. That is my point of. Let's see. Let's go back to the daily. I mean, this will give you the explanation, I suppose. So my volume profile. We have a number of volume profiles. This was one of them, roughly, and I think it's done it. So it's broken above it. Give it take a bit. Let's just fix that up. That's one volume profile. The next one's up there. I've used Fibonacci as one there, and so you can see how this is lining up. Very nice bottom accumulation and the breakout. So this is a fulcrum. This is the wall, and I'm expecting it to hit this level and potentially up here before it comes back down again. And it's a completion. Look up Google fulcrum Peter Brandt, and you will see some charts there. So moving on, that's my thinking. It's going to continue to go up as long as Bitcoin doesn't capitulate. If sorry, capitulate's not the right word. If Bitcoin doesn't drop too hard, I think while Bitcoin ranges, this is going to find this volume area as support. Now looking on the 4 hour, we got a nice trend. Let's see. Let's get rid of this and apply our 10 and 20 moving averages onto this. Let's see, where are we? We have a nice trend. There you go. 10 and 20 moving average on the 4 hour. Perfect. That was a strong move. Didn't really give you a chance, but we had, if you look at our methodology with cradle trading, that was a level, and that was support on the 10. Now let's look at the MACD. Okay, we need to get rid of some of these. Yeah, there is a nice uptrend. Wave trends also, yeah. So this is a nice trend, guys. I would keep an eye on this and keep trading it as long as. So there was a bit of a bearish divergence, and that's getting corrected, unfortunately. So that was a good entry. Looking at from there to there, hold on, that was our pullback. Let's just reverse that for a sec. Uptrend entry, that's what I want. Good compliance there. So that was our resistance. Yeah, that was a perfect entry there. Look at that. Hit the 0.5 fib on the 10 and 20. And that's great. So where next? I will look for. I wouldn't now. Now's not the time to buy. I will look for the next pullback. And if I was to reverse this, Just do some fibs. Short term, we might find some resistance up there. Give me a sec. We can also do this as well. So let's see if this is, yeah, no, stick to that. So we could probably get a bit of rejection, go sideways for a while, and then maybe another pullback into this pocket, 10 and 20 moving average. Look for that next pullback, but now is not a time to enter. And this is a beautiful 4-hour trend. I would not keep my eyes off it at the moment. It's no entry. And the assumption is, if we continue with this assumption, $2.50 is the next major target. And let's look at the daily. Let's go back. There we go. So we have that level there. So that's probably why we got a bit of resistance, I would say. So give it take a bit. That's a good area. So we should get a pullback. It might even come back to this volume $2 area. Yeah, it might come back down to $2 and then find that entry. So let's do that. Back to the 4-hour. Okay, so we might just go sideways, guys, and look for another entry. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. But you got the chart. You can have a look at the macro, and I'm leaving it at that. This still could go higher, but that is my next target, $2.50 roughly, and then see what happens from there. All right, talk to you soon. Cheers. Please give me a like and share, and good day.